Hey there, future planners, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is investing and debt management ready. Let's dive in. Investing. Savings assists people to increase their money base in laying a base for wealth accumulation and income in the future. Key investment options include stocks. Equity investment in shares of individual companies is also highly rewarding but involves larger measure of risk. Bonds. These are the bonds as fixed income instruments that are safer and provide better predictable returns. Mutual funds. A number of people chipping in their resources that are professionally handled, hence reducing on diversions and management difficulties. Real estate. Purchasing a house can be a good and bad thing as one can earn from the rent or get a boost from house appreciation. Debt management. This remains among the most important components skill involved in personal financial management. Strategies to handle debt include creating a debt repayment plan. As for the debts, it is necessary to pay as much attention to them as possible and repay them in the shortest time possible. Consolidating debts. A lot of people pay a lot of pretty high interest on several debts, so as to consolidate it with a similar loan with a lower interest rate. Avoiding new debt. On credit card, one should curb his or her usage and refrain from taking other loans. Strategies for managing your own money. 1. Track your spending. Planning involves tracking expenses and knowing where the money is going. This can be done through the use of applications as well as Excel sheets. 2. Review your budget regularly. Know how your financial perspective changes with the direction of your budget. 3. Set up financial alerts. Get immediate notification of due dates, account status, and the limit in spending. 4. Educate yourself. Keep yourself updated about personal finance-related trends and investment options available to you. 5. Seek professional advice. It is advised to seek advice from a financial planner who will give a consultation and come up with a plan. Thank you for watching video. Subscribe my channel for knowledge.